press that subscribe. Hey guys, Ali here. Welcome back. I talk about all things motherhood, lifestyle, health, and eco. If any of that interests you, please press that subscribe button down below and hit that little bell if you want to be notified of any new videos coming out every Thursday at 11 a.m. Happy Earth Month, everyone. I'm excited for the next few videos about to come out because I am very passionate about being eco-friendly for our planet. Today we're going to be talking about all the ways you can wrap a gift eco-friendly style. If you are new to the eco-friendly world, a popular phrase is reduce, reuse, recycle. I'm going to recycle it and use it my own way today. So we're going to start off with reducing the amount of plastic gift wrapping by reusing things like Trader Joe's paper bags. Any kind of paper bag will do. Paper bags are very versatile. You can use it for crafts, for gift wrapping, for composting, for going over to a friend's house. And especially in this time now with the pandemic where we still are having some stores that will not allow you to bring your own bags, paper, in my opinion, is a better option than plastic. So I like to use paper bags for gift wrapping. Another great way to repurpose or reuse things in your home is to wrap gifts in old scarves or bandanas. You can also find these at the thrift store. You know, look for scarves or bandanas at your local thrift store or just around your house that you're not wearing anymore. Special shout out to my sister, her nonprofit, Pet of the Pacific. They help women who've been through human trafficking. Spread messages, spread some love, and the great thing about using scarves or bandanas to wrap gifts is that they can be then reused after the gift giving is over. Much better than a plastic situation. Looks like a plant. Another great way to wrap a gift eco-friendly style is to reuse gift wrapping that you have been gifted. We just had a baby, in case you didn't know. Hi! I've been receiving a lot of gifts. So I've actually been saving those bags and that tissue paper so that I can then reuse those items. I also have a whole arsenal of gift bags, gift wrap, tissue paper that I can use for gifts going forward. But really when it comes down to gift giving as an eco-friendly person, you don't even need to wrap it. It's really the thought that counts, and just revealing it out of a bag or revealing it from behind you will mean a lot too. Ultimately, forget the gifts and give experiences instead. The memories last a lot longer. Take them to your favorite restaurant, take them to your favorite coffee shop, go to the beach, go for a hike, go to Disneyland, go to Universal, go and experience things out in the world, and that way you're able to give the gift of experience instead. Your presence is a present. Thank you for watching my video. I hope that you learned some little tips and tricks about how to wrap a gift eco-friendly style. Stay tuned, please hit that subscribe button and that little bell if you want to be notified of my next video coming out. Get creative with the things that are in your home. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you guys next week, Thursday at 11 a.m. Bye!